I'm going to be showing you how to blur your home screen in your iPhone. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So in order to blur your home screen in your iPhone, the first thing you need to do is be on this editable page. So in order to do that, just press and hold any of the apps and it should jiggle like this. So after you're here, you just need to look at the top left where you can see the edit button. Just go ahead and tap there. Now you have the option to either add a widget, customize, or edit wallpaper. Just tap on edit wallpaper, and now at the bottom you have multiple options like bearing, color, gradient, photo, and blur. Since you're trying to blur the home screen, just tap on blur, and as you can see, the home screen has been blurred. Just tap on done. Now you can see a blurred home screen. So that's how you do it. That's how you blur your home screen in iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.